What's up guys, welcome back to another GLYTCH Energy unboxing and review, and this is going to be one of the newer flavors called Quest Item, and it's a pretty unique flavor, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here is the flavor itself, Quest Item. It is in collaboration with the Medieval Dynasty game, and so this is a sweet apple flavor. A lot of the promotions for this video was kind of like a William Tell story with the apple on the head and shooting an arrow through the apple. Now, if you don't know, GLYTCH already does have a sour apple flavor, so this is going to be a sweet apple flavor. I've tried the sour apple flavor before, and it was pretty good. But let's see what the sweet apple tastes like. And with doing that, I'm going to be doing 1 scoop with 12 ounces of water. Always gotta smell it first just to kind of get an idea of what the flavor is. Ooh, that is really sweet. I don't know if you can tell, but it's got a nice light green color, kind of similar to an elf candy color. Smells really good. Let's try it. Cheers. It's pretty good. If you're a fan of apple juice, it actually tastes very similar to just a sweet apple juice. In that case, if you're someone who, like me, who likes to start the morning off with some GLYTCH, then this is a great complement to a good breakfast. So I do highly recommend the flavor. Quest Item, sweet apple. With that, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to use my code ASFIT for 20% off all GLYTCH products. And thank you guys very much. See you later.